Come on in, guys.
Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of HF Phrase, and guess who is with us today?
Hi.
So हमने already invade कर लिया है मैम का पूरा room, पूरा wardrobe, and we're very excited to see what's there, what's the season that she's currently in, what's the mood right now, है ना? So you tell me, जैसे हम सब लड़कियों का एक phase चल रहा होता है लाइफ में कि यार अभी ना I'm into too much florals or maybe I'm too much into subtle hues. Do you also have a mood like that?
Oh yes, big time. मतलब ज़्यादातर if you'll ask me तो as an actor हमें workout ना करें ये तो option है ही नहीं. So there are days where I am living in my gym wear. Like मैं निकल जाती हूँ घर के बाहर, उसी में घूमती हूँ. I like to wear my track pants and go. My usual style is jeans and a t-shirt or a kurti. But right now I am in the zone. मुझे आजकल वो pretty vibe feel अच्छा लगता है. Girly vibe. Like today also I don't know why I felt like wearing a dress.
Yes.
Something that had like a nice corset fit, which these kind of things are very in.
Yeah.
In fact, I just recently shot for something, and the director was very keen on me wearing something which was giving like that corset, very Bridgerton.
Oh, very Bridgerton core,
vibe.
yeah.
Yeah. So that's pretty much my vibe right now.
तो अभी के लिए let's dig in, ma'am.
Yes, let's begin.
चलो, let's open the first one.
आ जाइए. So like I was telling you कि फिलहाल मैं जिस phase में हूँ, I want to wear those pretty dresses.
Yes.
You know, जिसमें day summery वैसे भी इतनी गर्मी है कि मतलब summery vibe में ही हम रहना चाहेंगे. So this is my right now my most current favorite.
The color.
The color.
This is very summer.
And also this apparently is the 2024 ka color. So
Yes.
I absolutely love it.
Actually, butter yellow is the color of the year now.
Exactly. In my wardrobe now you'll find a lot of bright colors. I know pastels are in, like a lot of people say, and it does look nice on
Yeah,
most days.
yeah.
But there are times that I like bright colors, red, pink, browns,
Magenta.
magentas. Like this is such a cool
Proof.
item. But the thing is, I'm not able to style it. If you all have some tips, please नीचे लिख दो यार कि मैं करूँ क्या इसका. It's just so pretty. It's actually supposed to be like this.
Oh, like a very retro vibe this one has, yeah.
Yes, yes.
So you can
yes.
like style it for a costume party or something.
यार क्या ना इंडिया में इतना सीरियसली लेते नहीं कॉस्ट्यूम पार्टीज को
is
but
it.
isn't this so pretty like कोई तो भी शूट
Yeah,
होता है should use
yeah.
it guys please comment below so we know that
Style कैसे करना है इसे?
so yeah gym wear usually you know the days I feel a little flabby or something then you
Okay.
know underneath my the sports wear that I wear I'll wear a jacket like this on top and I'll pair it up with my matching track pants. These are body suits.
Oh.
These are very in, guys. These are like a full-on bodysuit, like a jumpsuit vibe to this.
This would look so hot.
Yeah, the back is also pretty hot.
Yeah, it's very hot. It's very Catwoman vibe.
Yeah, I'm planning to shoot a video soon in this. Just waiting for the muscles to develop like a goat for me to actually
Doing
look
maybe
like.
Pilates in that.
Hello,
right?
I did Pilates yesterday. I'm in pain right now. Very special.
Okay.
So this. Oh.
This.
So I found it this morning only. Okay.
Okay.
Are you all ready for this?
Okay. Yes.
Well, this is just a denim jacket for you all. But for me, this is from my college.
Oh, you're one of those who have emotional attachment with clothes,
Big
na?
time, big
my
time.
God.
I wish my parents had kept my bachpan ka blanket. I would have kept all of it. I'm so big on nostalgia.
Have you styled it in the recent times, or do you like take it for shopping, running errands?
This is my. There are days you run for a movie, a last minute movie
Yeah.
plan. Like I'll just pick this up and I'm like, I'm wearing this and I'm going. It's just comfort. for
Comfort,
me.
yes.
I'm big on bling and a lot of
Jhakas, jhatak.
drama. I love drama. So when I dress up, I have all kinds of party wear. Like last to last birthday of mine, I wore this dress. It was designed specially just for me by this brand called Souk.
Souk.
Yeah, Souk had designed it. So yeah, this was
So pretty. I love the bling and the sequins, and I actually love the silhouette of it.
yeah, it was and it was
Yeah.
so comfortable and so nice. So this is one Indian wear.
Yeah.
मैं बहुत सारे pictures देख रही हूँ. So I don't know if it's become trendy now, but for me, Indian wear is outright comfort. Like I'm a
It
kurti
is,
jeans person.
yeah.
So currently, you know, I'm into these ones. These are very pretty, you know, hand painted.
I see the tags on.
I'm a big shopaholic यार. मैं बहुत चीजें खरीद लेती हूँ और मैं खुद भूल भी जाती हूँ कि मेरे wardrobe में पड़ी है.
अब हमने याद दिला दिया.
Yes.
मैं नेक्स्ट ईयर पहनना है.
Thank you so much. मतलब yes, label तक नहीं निकले हैं. But yeah, this is just
Very
so
pretty.
pretty. You see these?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is something that I really like.
Very summery also.
Then there's a brand called Malmal.
Shop Malmal.
Shop Malmal is one of my favorites.
Yes.
You know, they are distinct. And they send me their latest collection always. This is from their latest collection. I chose this color. Easy to
Lovely
tell.
ombre.
Yes, this was their latest ombre collection. I'm gonna wear this real soon. Pretty, na?
Yes, guys, wait for her to wear this and style this on Instagram.
Soon. Before you know it.
Yes. Let's hop on to the next one because I'm very excited for the other
Now, what
wardrobes.
would you like to see? Would you like to see my bags? Would you like to see more clothes? I think let's begin with the bags.
Let's do bags first, guys. Chalo, come on.
Dun, dun, dun. You have to see this, guys.
Guys, that's a lot. आप कब से खरीदना चालू कर रहे हो कि आपने इतना बड़ा कलेक्शन बना लिया है?
मुझे अच्छा लगता है. आई एम अ बैग पर्सन. मैं जब भी घर से निकलती हूँ तो मतलब बहुत सारी चीजें लेकर निकलती हूँ. मुझे ये ऐसा एक सिंड्रोम है कि यार कुछ भी मिसिंग नहीं होना चाहिए. आई शुड हैव
पूरा
एवरीथिंग.
you take your entire home when you're out.
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm a tote bag person, honestly.
Okay.
Not just a small bag, but if I'm out for like a couple of hours or something, then I like to have these small bags.
Minis.
Minis, like when I'm traveling or something, I just have like a mini which will have my portable charger, lipstick, credit
Everything.
card, phone,
Yes.
bit of all of that.
But I really want to talk about that one, that pink lip shaped bag.
Pink lips, pink.
Do you still use it or was it like a very
I got this in my FYJC, which not FYJC,
Bombay के
FYBA,
हिसाब से which is
13th.
okay, the first year of college.
अब उसको कितने साल हो गए वो मैं नहीं बताने वाली, बट हो गए काफी साल. तो ये बैग मैंने तब खरीदी थी.
Just for fun.
I'm not sure. You know, I think it was Kareena Kapoor who had seen her like in one of her films carrying a bag like this. I think was it that Om Mangalam Mangalam.
Oh, Kambaktish maybe.
She was very trendy and she was back then size 0 and you know, तो ऐसा कुछ उनके पास था, वो देख के मैंने खरीदा था. Now I want to talk to you about my first big luxury buy.
Why? Okay.
And I think pretty much the only one when it comes to fashion. So bags में भी मुझे ऐसा कोई crazy splurging का कभी ये था नहीं. But there came a point in my life where I really thought I deserved to own a bag.
A luxury purchase.
A luxury
Yeah.
purchase, you know. And it was a matter of pride for me and me alone because everyone at home thought I had lost the plot. So never mind. It is only for my own happiness that I got my first ever LV.
Wow.
It is just so beautiful. Like I said,
This one was a very classic one also.
it is. It
back
will
then
go on
also.
forever.
Yeah.
Just
And when was it? मतलब क्या आपने जॉब किया जिसकी वजह से आपकी फर्स्ट सैलरी आई एंड यू बॉट इट? इज इट लाइक दैट?
this was just I think last 1-2 साल में. I think this was after Big Boss.
बिग बॉस ओटीटी.
And then I had also hosted a few events internationally. Not just this. There's one more thing I want to show you all. Can I show you all?
Yes,
I know
please.
we're talking about bags, but I have to. You stay here. Don't go anywhere.
Okay.
So yeah, these. These are so cute.
बबल गम पिंक.
Yeah. I got it for the color and the comfort. So these are LV Crocs.
Okay.
Listen, yaar, beach wear pe and everything. I was in Dubai that time and we
Yeah.
were going to the beach very often. So I decided to buy this as well along with the bag.
Oh, you bought it together?
Yeah, I bought this
Oh,
and this
okay.
together. And they were beautiful colors and like pop colors. And I told you I like pop
You love,
colors.
yeah.
Oh, ये क्यों बंद किया? इसमें ना कुछ साड़ी है guys.
Do you? Okay.
खुल गया. अभी it's see now my cupboard because I use it so it can't be neat all the time.
All of us.
थोड़ा 1-2 messy sections है मेरे cupboard में. This is one of my favorite sarees.
This is very Bollywood also, like a bright red.
And I told you.
Yeah.
These pop colors and red is my
You
favorite
love them.
color.
Yes, yes, definitely.
So you know, like if you
Okay.
this for me, I'll just look how stunning.
You love
this
sarees
color.
personally?
Yes, I love wearing sarees, yaar.
This is a very elegant one.
Just look.
Wow.
I have a picture in this. I'm gonna show it to you guys as well. मैं फिर ऐसे गजरा वजरा लगा के something about Indian sarees, you know,
Of
like
course.
it's crazy.
Staple.
So this
Oh,
was
do you
her
have
saree.
it? Huh?
This was
Heirloom
my
pieces.
mother's saree. Yes.
Oh.
Just look how stunning it is.
Have you styled this? अभी तक कुछ?
Not yet. I'm very sentimental about it.
I know. हेलो गाइस, मैं आपका बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे से स्वागत करना चाहूँगी रिधिमा की वैनिटी जो बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल सी है। मैं वहीं से रिपोर्ट कर रही हूँ। और रिधिमा आप मुझे एक्सप्लेन कीजिए कि ये आपने कैसे डिज़ाइन की।
Yes, this I personally I designed it. You know, I mean कोई rocket science नहीं था.
Yes.
मुझे सिर्फ उन्हें बताना था कि मुझे किस लेवल का स्टोरेज चाहिए और कैसे मुझे ये डिवीजन चाहिए था चीज़ों का. So मुझे ना थोड़ा क्लॉस्ट्रोफोबिया हो जाता अगर मेरे पास तैयार होने की जगह नहीं होती. I need like a broad space where I can just focus on having so many things. Like you see, ये brushes का I have right now aligned it very neatly. But when I'm using it, they're all over the place. Like they're spread out, right? So I needed that level of space, and you see these drawers. They're like so much storage in each and every. So this has makeup.
And I like how it's been segmented very nicely.
Yeah, this
हर चीज़ का एक section है.
All hair. That's a bit of makeup bases.
Okay.
This though I can't open.
That's too
I've
much.
dumped everything in it. So अगर skincare की बात हो ही रही है तो there is this Ultra Repair Cream by First Aid Beauty. It's a brand that's just come in.
Okay.
And it's really nice and very light on the skin. So this is in fact my new one. They've just sent it across to me. And they have some facial radiance pads as well. And they're extremely safe for sensitive skin, which I have.
Okay.
तो ये चीज़ों के बिना तो I don't function. And then I love my perfume collection. There's like this तो
Yeah, I see it's very massive.
this is not even half of
Yeah.
it. Like, this is just like 5-7 bottles which I regularly use like on rotation. You know, I'm using it. My current favorite is Trussardi Donna.
Okay.
Narciso is my signature perfume. Like if my friends say if they smell this, they always remember me. It's like before I walk into the room, I always like to smell of this.
So if Ridhima was in a bottle, it would be this one.
It would be this one. It would be this one. And I like cinema. Then one product that I swear by.
Okay.
It is the Laneige ka lip sleeping mask. Ooh.
Even I have this one's very good.
It is the best.
Yes.
Absolutely the best. So
I also see Swarovski right there.
yes.
तो आप प्लीज बताएं क्या है उस येलो बॉक्स में.
So आपके पहले मैं एक शूट कर रही थी.
Okay.
And I wore these earrings. These are a gift by this friend of mine, Siddhi. She had just gifted it to me like out of the blue, and just look how pretty these Swarovskis are. Oh my god.
Very pretty guys. ये रेट कर लें क्या हम लोग प्लीज रिधिमा.
Bye. So yeah, this is again like very pretty, and this friend of mine, she has a very great choice. So that's
Yeah,
that.
clearly.
And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys.
So Ridhima, you know this is HF Raids and I cannot leave you without taking something from your closet. तो आज हम क्या लेके जा रहे हैं?
ये तो मुझे पता ही था, इसलिए मैंने पहले ही रेडी रखा है. बट थोड़ी सेंटिमेंटल वैल्यूज के साथ मैंने ये चीज रेडी रखी है.
Okay.
सो दिस इज अ वेरी क्यूट वाइट ड्रेस.
Yes.
एंड इसकी अगर मैं सेंटिमेंटल वैल्यू की बात करूँ तो ये है कि ये मैं usually I wear this on my first date. And it has always proved lucky for me to have a second date. So if you want the magic rubbing off on you, probably this dress, this cutest little dress is for you.
Wow, that's cool. I think सबसे पहले मैं ही इसे पहन लूँगी.
Oh yeah,
for a 100% second date. Thank you so much. I'm going to take this. And a special fan will get this. So thank you so much, Ridhima, for having us, for letting us invade your lovely wardrobe. And we will see you very soon. So अगर आपको पार्ट 2 भी चाहिए ना गाइस, कमेंट डाउन बिलो एंड जल्दी जल्दी हम रिधिमा को वापस लेके
हे
आएंगे.
भगवान, पार्ट 2. डोंट वरी, मेरे पास बहुत कंटेंट है फॉर पार्ट 2 एज वेल.
Definitely. Thank you guys. Bye bye.
बाय.